Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about one of the most important elements for any individual that is starting up their e-commerce website on Shopify and they're thinking about dropshipping. One of the most important thing you have to keep in mind once you start a dropshipping account on Shopify is that you need to have an amazing landing page because the user interface and user experience matters a lot. And in order to select a particular theme for your landing page is essential. And that is why we're making these videos to give you a complete breakdown of where you can find amazing, engaging interfaces that you can install, download, and work with on your Shopify account. If you do not have a Shopify account, go ahead, click on the description and click on the link in the description and find out how you can actually set up your account for 90 days on Shopify. This is one of the most essential elements in today's time because right now the world is moving on to the internet and the e-commerce business have become the main industry in which you can make a lot of money. But how do you do that? After finding products, you need to have an amazing landing page. If you go to the themes.shopify.com, you'll see at least 100 themes that are available. Out of that, only 9 are free and the rest are paid. And the price for these 91 is very high. If you look at these themes over here, $320, $220, $290 for the themes. And if you scroll down, you'll see how expensive they are. And the ones that are free do not give you that much flexibility, do not give you the right user interface and experience. And the thing over here that you have to keep in mind is the fact that any individual that is making money on Shopify is going to get these themes for $300, for $400. And obviously by using these themes, they're going to have a competitive advantage over you. So what is the best way that you can actually get a theme that is going to be reasonably priced at the same time get you that competitive advantage in the market? So we're going to head over to a website called ThemeForest. Now ThemeForest has a lot of different templates and themes available, and you can find amazing themes and customizable themes as well, and templates and CMS products as well, and they're made by world-class developers. These are individuals that understand the aesthetic sense that individuals need to have. They understand the user experience the customer wants and the user interface that they need to develop to ensure that your e-commerce website has got all what it takes to make the shopping experience easy for your audience. And that is the reason why you have to use ThemeForest.net, because you're talking about marketing templates, you're talking about blogging, if you're talking about CMS templates, anything and everything is available. They have unique themes and templates for every budget and every single project. And the thing that really makes them stand out is the fact that they have a 24/7 support system that is available that ensures that if you run into any problem whatsoever, they're always there to help you out. They're the largest theme marketplace in the world, and that is one of the reasons why a lot of individuals are turning to them right now. They have so many categories available, from site templates, forms, muse templates, and even courses with template kits and UI templates as well, and e-commerce. So let's head up straight and find out what themes are available that you can use for your dropshipping account on Shopify. So we're going to head over to Shopify, and once we go to Shopify, we'll be able to see the Shopify themes and templates for your Shopify account. Now, as you can see, they have the weekly bestsellers if you scroll down over here for $89, $88, and even $19, and under $49. You can find so many amazing templates that you can use for your Shopify account. They even have bestsellers from $19 to $59. They have top furniture items, top Shopify fashion themes as well. And the best thing is that you have unlimited downloads of Shopify themes and templates where you can create projects faster with unlimited downloads for WordPress themes, plugins, video templates, and so much more. Millions of creative assets, all for one low cost. And the thing that really makes it stand out is the fact that you can customize it the way you want. So let's scroll right up and head over to all. Once we select all, we'll be able to see there are 1,571 items available. Now, these are different categories that are available, and that makes it so unique. If you look on the left-hand side, you have the e-commerce, which has 3,547. And just in Shopify, they have 1,571. Within Shopify, they have shopping, which has 325 templates. Fashion is 320, beauty, health, technology, entertainment, every single element is available. So if your dropshipping is focusing on a particular niche, you can get a theme for that particular niche. Now looking at the right side, you can see three elements that you have to keep in mind. The first one obviously is the price, because that is the most important. And anyone that is starting off a dropshipping business needs to understand that they don't want to actually start spending a lot of money. Start with something which is free. Then as gradually you grow, always invest in a good theme. Then comes the amount of reviews and rating any theme tends to have. This particular theme has 758 ratings with a sale of 27,900. So basically 27,900 individuals are actually using this particular theme, meaning it has a multiplayer layout with single product sections on every page with dropshipping and an incredible user interface and experience. And this is multi-purpose as well. If you scroll down and you can check as the prices decrease, you can see the sales for each one that has been sold. And obviously the thing you need to keep in mind is that you need to always get a particular theme that works for you. So let's go and check out the live preview for the first one. But before you check the preview, please make sure when it was last updated. Now, this is a common mistake which a lot of individuals tend to do, and they get a theme that was updated a long time ago. That means it does not have all the new features that you would require. Always focus and aim to get a particular theme that is updated very recently to ensure that it has all the plugins and the right tools that you would require to get a competitive advantage in the industry. So let's go ahead and check the live preview for this particular theme. Now, as you can clearly see, the amount of user interface and user experience you're going to get with this theme is absolutely brilliant. It covers every single aspect: the page layouts, the feature, the performances, and the way everything is put together is absolutely brilliant. The color combinations, aesthetic sense that they focused on is very interesting, because this is a particular theme which has been developed by individuals that understand exactly what is required and what customers are looking for, and they help you develop things that are truly unique. And the thing with ThemeForest and getting a theme for your Shopify from ThemeForest is the fact that you can customize it, you can personalize it, and you can make it your own. You can change the colors if you want, you can change the placements if you want, you can make anything that you require. And there's so many options that are available within it. For example, health and beauty, men and fashion, winter sports, games. So everything is actually required. So let's go check out the automotive one, which I feel is very interesting over here. Once you click on this, you'll be able to see how this particular theme is going to look like on your Shopify account. So this is how your Shopify account is going to look like once you get this theme. Now, this is the reason why this has become the main element over here, because the amount of combination that you can create are endless. You can communicate from here as well. Any customer can buy from here. You can return from here. You can get examples from here. You can do whatever and however you want on this particular website, because this gives you the true flexibility and freedom that you have always wanted to develop a proper e-commerce website using Shopify and the theme for Shopify, which is available on ThemeForest.com. So guys, do let us know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful. And if you're using any theme from ThemeForest, let us know in the comment as well. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family so more people can find out how to find amazing themes on ThemeForest.com for a very reasonable price. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.